The desert tortoise, Gopherus agassizii, is a fascinating reptile native to the southwestern United States and parts of Mexico. Here are 70 amazing facts about the desert tortoise. 1 to 10, Basic information. The desert tortoise is a species of tortoise that primarily inhabits the Mojave and Sonoran Deserts in North America. Scientifically known as Gopherus agassizii, it was named after Swiss-American zoologist Jean Louis Rodolphe Agassiz. Desert tortoises have a distinctive high-domed shell that helps protect them from predators. They are known for their longevity, with a lifespan that can exceed 80 years in the wild. The average adult desert tortoise weighs between 8 to 15 pounds, 3.6 to 6.8 kilograms. These tortoises have strong, sturdy limbs and claws adapted for digging burrows. Desert tortoises are cold-blooded, relying on their environment to regulate their body temperature. During extreme temperatures, they can enter a state of dormancy to conserve energy. The scientific name, Gopherus, refers to their burrowing behavior. Desert tortoises are considered a threatened species due to habitat loss, disease, and other threats. 11 to 20, Habitat and range. 11. They are found in arid and semi-arid regions, primarily in the southwestern United States and parts of Mexico. Their range includes areas in California, Nevada, Arizona, Utah, and Mexico. Desert tortoises prefer habitats with well-drained soils, suitable for digging burrows. Burrows provide shelter from extreme temperatures and protection from predators. Burrows also help them hibernate during the winter and escape the heat during the summer. These tortoises are excellent climbers, using rocks and other surfaces to gain elevation. They often inhabit areas with a variety of vegetation, including creosote bush and cacti. Desert tortoises are well adapted to arid conditions and can obtain water from the plants they eat. Their range can extend from sea level to elevations over 3,000 feet, 900 meters. Population density can vary, with some areas supporting more tortoises than others. 21 to 30, Reproduction and life cycle. 21. Desert tortoises reach sexual maturity between 15 to 20 years of age. Mating usually occurs in the spring, and the female can store sperm for several years. Females lay clutches of 3 to 14 eggs in a nest, which they dig in sandy or loamy soils. Incubation takes about 80 to 120 days, depending on temperature and other factors. The temperature during incubation can influence the gender of the hatchlings. The gender of the hatchlings is determined by the temperature of the nest, with higher temperatures producing females. Hatchlings are vulnerable to predation, and only a small percentage survive to adulthood. The young tortoises grow slowly, and it takes several years for them to reach maturity. Desert tortoises are known for their relatively low reproductive rates. Their slow reproductive rate makes it challenging for populations to recover from declines. 31 to 40, Diet and feeding habits. 31. Desert tortoises are herbivores, primarily grazing on grasses, wildflowers, and the leaves of shrubs. They have a specialized digestive system to extract nutrients from tough, fibrous plant material. These tortoises are known to consume a variety of plant species, adapting their diet to seasonal changes. They obtain much of their water from the plants they eat, reducing the need to drink standing water. In captivity, it's essential to provide a diet that mimics their natural vegetation. Overgrazing in their natural habitat can be a concern, affecting both tortoise and plant populations. Desert tortoises are capable of consuming large amounts of food in a short period when conditions are favorable. They can go for long periods without water, relying on metabolic water from their food. During extremely hot or dry conditions, they may estivate, a summer form of hibernation, to conserve water. In captivity, it's crucial to provide a balanced diet to ensure proper nutrition. 41 to 50, Adaptations for survival. 41. Their high-domed shell provides protection against predators. When threatened, desert tortoises can retract their limbs and head inside their shell. Their front limbs are shovel-like, adapted for digging burrows. Burrows help them regulate body temperature and provide protection from predators. Their limbs have powerful claws that assist in digging and climbing. They are known for their slow movement, which helps conserve energy. A bladder-like urinary bladder stores water, allowing them to survive in arid conditions. Desert tortoises are capable of storing excess water in their bladders during rare rainfall. They have an efficient renal system to concentrate urine and conserve water. During extreme conditions, they can excrete a thick, concentrated urine to minimize water loss. 51 to 60. Threats and conservation. 51. Habitat destruction is a significant threat to desert tortoises, primarily due to urban development. Roads can pose a danger, as tortoises may be struck by vehicles while crossing. Predators, including ravens, coyotes, and dogs, pose threats to both eggs and adult tortoises. Disease, particularly respiratory infections, is a significant concern for wild populations. Human interaction, such as illegal collection and disturbance, can negatively impact desert tortoises. Conservation efforts include habitat preservation, captive breeding programs, and disease monitoring. The Desert Tortoise Conservation Center in Nevada is involved in rehabilitation and research. Conservationists use radio transmitters to monitor tortoise movements and gather data. Public awareness and education play a crucial role in desert tortoise conservation. There are strict regulations regarding the handling and disturbance of desert tortoises. 61 to 70. Cultural and symbolic significance. 61. Desert tortoises hold cultural significance for Native American tribes in the southwestern United States. Some tribes view the tortoise as a symbol of endurance and longevity. Desert tortoises have appeared in Native American art and folklore. The tortoise is a protected species, and disturbing their habitats is illegal. Symbolic representations of desert tortoises are found in various forms of art and literature. The ancient Hohokam people created pottery depicting desert tortoises. The desert tortoise is a state symbol of California, representing the state's unique wildlife. The species has been featured in documentaries and educational programs. Desert tortoises have inspired conservation initiatives and awareness campaigns. Preserving the desert tortoise's habitat benefits not only the species but the entire ecosystem. These facts provide a glimpse into the unique and remarkable characteristics of the desert tortoise, emphasizing the importance of conservation efforts to ensure their survival in the wild.